Can an HDMI cable carry a mouse or keyboard signal? I would like to plug a mouse and keyboard into a monitor and have the HDMI cable carry the signal back to the laptop along with the video. Do HDMI cables and ports support this functionality? The laptop, an Acer Aspire V5-571p 6828 running Windows 10, has an HDMI port but no other video ports, so a DisplayPort is not an option.
No, HDMI cables don't support this functionality. HDMI does have a backchannel, CEC, which in principle could be used to carry mouse and keyboard signals, but I don't know of any hardware which actually uses it for that. You may be able to use it that way in hardware you build yourself, but it's extremely unlikely your monitor supports it. Monitors sometimes have an integrated USB hub for mouse and keyboard, and require an USB cable back to the computers.
Unofficially it seems, from this Cloud KVM switch that I have purchased. No affiliation. Update. Yes, this does work for this device. USB mouse and keyboard data is carried along with HDMI from the KVM's HDMI output to the device where it has a breakout of HDMI and USB plugs that plug into the device. The keyboard and mouse plug separately into USB inputs at the KVM. Presumably the implementation in the KVM to carry USB data could be making use of the SEC as this other answer here mentions. This URL, either that or an unofficial proprietary out-of-band method. In conclusion, I'm not keen on this device for what seems to be a packed shortcut. Also because on a separate note it does not carry the monitor's edit information to communicate the display capabilities to the end device. I see 800 by 600 default Windows display, but when plugging same device into a HDMI cable directly between it and the monitor, the native 1920 by 1080 resolution of the monitor is made use of. So I wouldn't recommend KVMs that unofficially support USB over HDMI.
Flash